Alright, Christmas 2011. Cullen's just waking up. Trying something new this year with 2 Christmas trees, one upstairs and one downstairs, because we're replacing this one. So his big Santa presents are downstairs. Let's see. Here comes Cullen. He's worried that Mom's gonna forget her camera. Cullen, what did Santa bring you?
I'm coming. Sorry. What's under the tree, Cullen?
Woody.
That's for you, Cullen. Santa brought it for you, bud.
What else did Santa bring?
Woody.
Hey, can you tell the camera? What did camera bring you? What did camera bring you? Santa? Did camera bring you Santa?
Will you show that to Daddy? Pick it up. Show him to Daddy.
A hat.
Can you show me?
A hat.
Yeah.
Pick him up.
Pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up.
There you go. Is that Cullen's hat?
Woody. Woody. Woody.
That's right. Is he your favorite?
Oh no! Oh no!
You want to put his hat back on?
Oh!
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh man.
Say Merry Christmas, Scout.
Mommy.
Oh,
Oh. I got it.
you got it. That's good. What else is under the tree, Cullen? Do you see anything else?
Woody.
Yeah.
Woody. Hat.
Ooh, Merry Christmas, dog.
There we go. Cullen, what else is under the tree?
Woody.
Woody. Yeah, is there anything else over there that you like? Maybe some cars or some trucks or a monkey cup?
Is that Woody talk?
Yes.
Boy, am I glad to see you.
Doug?
Hello. My name's Sheriff Woody.
Turn him.
Come on, partner. Time to saddle up for adventure.
Scout, move.
Well, oh my string. Yee-haw! This town ain't big enough for the 2 of us. What am I saying? Of course it is.
Cullen, can you show Daddy? What is it?
Oh, Kansas. Yeah.
I think Santa may have overshopped. Cullen? Come here. Let's go see what else is under the tree. You want to? That's right. Woody.
Truffle!
Yeah.
No! Cut. Cut. No! There's a garter out.
What?
That's a garter.
Yeah.
The pig. Oh no! Wait.
Did Santa bring you your book?
Is that a storybook?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Cullen.
Mouse.
That's right, it is a mouse. Do you want to look at the rest of your presents?
Oh no!
Well, there's a present.
Yeah.
Hey, Cullen, what's on your cup? Cullen, can you show me your cup? Show me that cup you got over there.
The one with the straw.
Who's that for?
Mommy. Oh,
From who?
Aunt Raina.
Mmm.
You guys about to be excited. Oh, do you want to sit in your chair?
Is that preheating the oven or is that?
Just preheating the oven. I was going to wait till we got downstairs.
Mommy, Mommy.
There you go, Scout. Come here.
Stop.
Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Thank you.
What is it?
Is it a truck?
Was it a dinosaur? What is it?
No, he thinks there's a dinosaur. Is that a fun Captain America car?
No,
No.
that's for truck.
Oh, okay.
That's
It's a fire truck
Lay down.
or an ambulance?
That's truck.
Big
Truck.
truck.
Colin, do you love trucks?
Daddy truck.
Big truck.
Daddy truck.
Does look a little like Daddy's truck.
Do you need more big trucks?
Mommy truck.
We got a lot more big trucks.
Daddy truck.
All right. Turn the record.